Hello, welcome to Tinkerdoodle DIY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program a NeoPixel LED strip using MicroPython on Tinkerdoodle. With the Tinkerdoodle website, you don't have to install any software to program your microcontroller. Just go to tinkerdoodle.cc and open this notebook. And connect your ESP32 or ESP8266 with your computer. And do a connection here. Then from there, you can update the code and write the code down to the microcontroller. For this example, I'm using the LED strip to run a one-dimensional pinball game. So the code is pretty simple, that I just Now let's disconnect the microcontroller from the USB port and connect the power for the LED strip. Here is how the program looks like when it works. So that's pretty cool, right? What's even cooler is that you can actually run this microcontroller code not only for real, but also in simulator mode. This is helpful that imagine you have already put your LED strip on outdoors somewhere. Like for me, I hang it below the roof. After that, it's hard to debug, but with the simulator mode, you can make changes to your code and see how it works instantly. You just need to run this cell to put the notebook into simulator mode. And after that, also notice the connect button turns yellow now, which means it's in simulator mode. Let's just run the code. And it works exactly the same way as it would work on a real LED strip. After you're done with simulation, you just need to connect the disconnect button After clicking it, it brings the notebook out of simulator mode, and then you can use the connect button to connect the notebook to a real controller again. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.